Here is a message written as you requested, reflecting the theme of God's message of hope and miracles. Your miracle is almost here. God says, do not lose hope, for your miracle is closer than you think. I have seen your struggles. I have heard your prayers, and I know the desires of your heart. Even in the darkest moments, I have been working behind the scenes to bring you the breakthrough you need. Trust in my timing, for I do all things perfectly, and I am never late. You may feel tired, but remember, I give strength to the weary and power to the weak. Hold on just a little longer, for the blessing I have prepared for you is greater than you can imagine. When the time is right, you will see my hand move in ways you never expected. Do not be discouraged by the obstacles before you. I am with you always, guiding your steps and providing for your needs. Your faith and patience will be rewarded. The miracle you've been waiting for is almost here, and it will come when you least expect it. Keep believing, keep trusting, and know that I am a God of promises and I never fail. This message is meant to inspire faith and patience, reminding you that God's timing is perfect.